Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, now that we've talked about content questions in general, I want to dive into some specific types of content questions. The first type of content question I want to talk about are placement questions. You're going to recognize a placement question because it will actually say the word placement in the question, like you see here. So, how do we do placement questions? Well, what we want to do is read the sentence that we're placing and then decide what needs to be talked about right before then. Like, what does this passage need to be talking about in order for the sentence to go there? Then what we do is we go to the different places that are listed and see what's being talked about around it and if it fits in. So you want to read the sentence, figure out what it's talking about and what needs to go before and after it, and then find the section of text where that happens. All right, so then, second type of content question that I want to talk about are writer's goal and primary purpose questions. So these are in a different form. They're in a yes, yes, no, no form. So that means that you'll have yes, yes for the first two options and then no, no for the second two options. And the question itself will say writer's goal or primary purpose of the passage. So for this type of question, when it's in yes, yes, no, no form, you're not going to decide on yes or no first. First, what you're going to do is look at the explanation and see which explanation is correct. But in order to figure out what explanation is correct, these are usually coming at the end of the passage, so you've done the other questions, so you might have an idea of what the passage is about. But if you're unsure at all, go back and read the title. The big hint that I'm giving you here is read the title because the title talks about what the essay was about in general, which goes back to the primary purpose. So the answer choice should mention or usually mentions what is in the title. So if you go to the title and read the title and then you go back to the explanations and read them, if you find the pairing, that's what you want to do. All right, let's try it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.